Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the Klink airdrop. Alright, so they have actually listed out their eligibility criteria, and on this video I'm going to be showing you how you are going to be able to complete them and be eligible to claim the Klink airdrop when it is going live. Alright, so a lot of people have forgotten about this project, but still it is very important for us to complete what we started, because many of us joined this airdrop and by this time a lot of us has actually forgotten about it. All right, so welcome to my channel. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel I provide you with a lot of crypto airdrop. Also, I help you to participate on all of them. I see you through, I guide you through, so that you can be able to get everything in place and qualify for each and every airdrop which I usually introduce on this platform. All right, so this one right here is Klink airdrop. All right, so the first thing you need to do right now for you to secure your eligibility on this Klink airdrop is to first of all go ahead and make sure that your own app is up to date. So go ahead and update your app on Play Store, and once the app is updated, then you're going to be having yours like this. Then the first thing you need to do from here is to go ahead and click on this Klink button right here. You click on it. All right, so this is going to be showing you some data of this token. For example, this is the symbol, this is the total supply, which is of course 1 billion, and of course it is on Base blockchain. All right, so right now what do you need to do? What you need to do from here is simply go ahead and click on Quest. All right, and when you click on Quest, guys, you can see that we now have a lot of reward opportunities right here where we can earn real USDT. Okay, where we can earn real USDT. Right now I will show you. So what you need to do from here is simply go ahead and click where we have earn more Klink. You click on it. All right, so when you click on it, you are going to be brought right here to the airdrop section, and of course the first thing you are going to be seeing right here is your eligibility task. All right, it is usually 4, but I've completed 1. That is why we have only 3 right here. I will explain. So over here guys, we have the milestone right here where you are required to do some few stops. For example, link your git.io account and also link your KuCoin account, and of course earn $5 through featured offer. I'll be talking about it. And over here we have the repeated tasks right here where you are required to check in daily, and of course earn points on completing social quests, and of course referring people actually earn you 50 points as well. And when you scroll down, you can see this is your own personal leaderboard right here, showing your your own personal dashboard, showing your performances on this platform and the point that you have actually earned on each. And of course this is where we have the leaderboard right here, and of course you can see I have just 550k points right here. All right, so right now what do you need to do right now? So the first thing is for you to secure your eligibility. That is for you to become eligible for this airdrop. All right, so the first tag is actually for you to link your gate.io for you to link your app, that is this Klink app, with your Telegram mini app. All right, so how do you actually do that? The first thing you need to do for you to be able to link it is to go ahead and make sure that you have downloaded this app. All right, you download it from Play Store, then you go ahead and use the link right there on the video description box to get yourself right here on the mini app. All right, so over here this is how exactly the mini app look like. And of course you can see we have a lot of tasks right here. All right, so but for you to be able to link your mini app with your normal app, you click where we have airdrop. All right, so when you click here that we have airdrop, you are going to be seeing connected right here. This connected right here means that I have connected my own account. So when you click over here right now, they are going to be asking you to connect it with your your real app. From there you can just go ahead and then connect it. All right, so right now after the connection, then you are going to be left with 3 tasks like this. So over here right now we have this one saying be active for the past 60 days. This simply means that, and of course right here you can see if you are not active for the past 60 days, then you are definitely going to be not going to be eligible for this airdrop. But if you start now and be active from the on the app, then you are going to be securing your eligibility. And right now guys, we have this one saying submit your Base wallet address. All right, so you click on it right now, and of course they are going to be requiring you to submit your Base wallet address before the TGE. So for you to do that, you need to come over here to your wallet. You need to find the Base wallet. Okay, you click on it right now, you click on copy, then you copy it like this, then you need to come back right here, then you paste it like this, then you click on submit. All right, and once you click on submit, immediately your data is going to be taken into account, and of course this is how you complete this one. And over here we have this one saying earn $1 through featured offer. Now what are the featured offer? The featured offer are the, you know, the like kind of the offer that they have right here, which they are, I can, you know, say they are promoting something like that. For example, right now when you click on earn it right now, you are going to be taken to where we have a lot of featured offer. And right now we are gonna have to let's read this. Klink is the leading platform for earning money online. To be eligible on Klink Airdrop, you must complete featured offer on quest page and earn a minimum of $1. Pending earning counts to as long as the amounts to $1. All right, so right now I will click on view offer right now, and we are going to be taken to the section where we have a lot of offers right here. For example, right here you can see a lot of offers right here can pay you as much as even $60 and above. And of course we have them differently. For example, when you click on crypto right now, you are going to be shown the offers that, you know, shows that teaches or that talks about crypto. And we have apps, we have the ones that you can download and earn. But the mission right here is for you to make sure that you complete one. All right, make sure you complete one so that you can be able to earn at least $1. Okay, for example, right now when you click on this MoonPay right now, they are going to be telling you what you are going to be required to do. For example, you are going to be required to complete KYC process on the MoonPay app and also complete your first transaction. So completing your KYC will earn you $0.8, which is very good. And of course completing your first transaction will earn you $3. All right, so this is going to be qualifying you for the Klink Airdrop, and also is gonna be earning you real money. All right, for example, right now just go ahead and check the app right here, the one that you can be able to, you know, complete the task on. And when you are done completing the task, you are gonna be earning your real money. All right, you're gonna be earning your real money right here. For example, right now this one is actually going to be giving you up to 500 when you deposit and trade on their platform. And when you make your first deposit greater than $50, you earn $10. And everything right here is just cool, right? So this is how you complete your final task right here to be eligible for the Klink Airdrop. All right, so go ahead and complete it. But over here right now we have this one saying we have a lot of them right here. For example, you need to simply submit your git.io UID and of course the proof of your KYC verification. The same thing is applicable right here, and this one you earn 1 million points right here when you finally earn up to $5 through the you know, featured offers. All right, so we have the daily check-in and we have the requests and a lot of things right here, and this is what you need to know right now concerning the Klink Airdrop. So if you are getting started with this airdrop for the first time, just go ahead and start using the link right there on the video description box, because you are not yet late to this platform. All right, so this is all you need to know right now, and if you have any question, let me have it right there on the video description box. So coming over here right now to the Klink platform, all right, to the Klink X account, you can see, let me show you where they actually listed out the you know, all the eligibility criteria for you to see it right here. Okay, I'm going to be showing you right now in a bit. And over here right now you can see this is where they made the announcement on the 21st of May, and of course they gave you a lot of things to do right here. For example, the first one, like I said, is for you to link your mini app to your mobile app. Second one is for you to complete a featured offer and earn a minimum of $1. And of course the third one is for you to be active in the last 60 days. Now, how does this work? This is calculated because when it's time for TGE, they are going to be checking your activity. If you have not been active for the past 60 days, then it means you are not going to be qualifying for the airdrop. And this one is just for you to submit your wallet address, just like I've shown you guys. All right, so this is all you need to know right now, guys, and let me know what you think about this on the comment section. And remember that the link is going to be right there on the video description box. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you on the next video that is going to be dropping very, very soon.